Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Have you ever cut a thin design out of vinyl, only to find that weeding it was a total nightmare? If so, then the solution is reverse weeding. Let's start with a skinny design. Thin writing can be something especially tricky to weed. You can start by removing the middle of any letters, just like normal. Next, flip the mat over and take the design off the mat. Even though there is still most of the weeding to do, grab a piece of transfer paper and stick it to the vinyl. Grab your scraper and use it to adhere the vinyl really well. Now comes the reverse weeding technique. Use this anytime you have a design with really skinny or thin elements in it. Flip the vinyl upside down and stick it back onto the mat so that the transfer paper is stuck to the mat. Peel the backing paper off the vinyl and then slowly and carefully pull off the excess vinyl. The writing will stay right where you want it on the transfer paper. Now this skinny little design is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.